This summer, for me, it's going to be about lips and lashes. Lips and lashes, because it's already too damn hot. It's almost 80 degrees right now in New York, and I do not have time to be worrying about if my face is melting off in the hot heat. So we are going to start skin prepping now, and the best way to do that is to feed your skin nutritious, vitamin-filled juice. And this juice that I'm going to make, I'm always getting compliments on my skin. So this is one of my tried and true tricks, and I know that you are going to see the benefits as well. So let's get started on this poppin', I know you see it, juice. Juicing has always been my favorite, especially during the hot summer and spring months. Now, the reason why you should juice is because you are giving your skin a healthy dose of hydration and vitamins, which is going to allow your skin to be juicy, hydrated, and I'm telling you, you will definitely be getting compliments this year if you feed your skin right. So this is what I call it I know you see it juice, because I know you see it. I know you see it.
Okay, so let's get into these ingredients. I have fallen in love with beets, and beets are great for liver detox and antioxidants. It also promotes cell turnover. Cucumbers are full of water and great for skin's elasticity. Carrots are full of vitamin A and also helps with cell turnover. Now, celery helps support detox and balancing your body fluids. Lemons help tighten up your pores. Apples are for the sweetness and for fiber. Parsley and cilantro helps with dark circles, chlorophyll, and also helps keep blemishes away. All of these things will make your skin feel so good and look amazing. So I like my juice to chill overnight, and then each morning I take a big glass. I also blend in aloe vera because it's really good for your skin. It's very hydrating, and I blend it up in my NutriBullet, and I also add other things because this is also the time that I take other supplements that will help with skin and help with my hair and just give me the nutrition that I need every morning. So isn't this beautiful? Oh my God, this juice, I'm telling you, is going to change your life. I drink it every morning. This is skin prep.
I also like to add coconut water for extra hydration. I just added spirulina and wheatgrass. I have forgotten to do that, but yeah, this gives it an extra, you know, but yes. So for this, add this coconut water, a little bit in there. I'm gonna blend it. That changes the color, but this is packed with nutritious power. indeed. So, good health, good wealth, and popping skin. Yes, indeed. And I also take my supplements at this time as well. That hits.